Friends, welcome back to the RK Pharma. Today we are going to discuss most important series for your upcoming pharmacist examination, that is RRB day 30. So this is the pharmaceutical analysis class. In this class we are going to discuss previous year's questions with explanation. And this class is also important for your upcoming pharmacist examination, that is prison department for the post of compounder. Okay. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. दोज हु आर न्यू टू द चैनल प्लीज़ क्लास को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा एंड बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करना है. एंड रेस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट क्लास को लाइक शेयर करें. ओके. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल एनालिसिस. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a compound will be sensitive toward the IR radiations only when one of the following properties undergo. The question is that the compound will be sensitive toward the IR radiations only when one of the following property undergoes. The first option is that polarizability, second one dielectric constant, third one dipole moment, and the last one refractivity. The correct option for this question is that is dipole moment. क्या होता है? Dipole moment. Option C is the correct one. A compound will be sensitive toward the IR radiations only when one of the following properties undergo, that is dipole moment. Second one, indicate the HPLC detector. The next question is that indicate the HPLC detector that is most sensitive to change in temperature. The question is indicate the HPLC detector that is most sensitive to change in temperature. The first one PDA detector, second one refractive index detector, third one electrochemical detector, and the last one fluorescence detector. Which is the correct one? So the option B is the correct one, that is refractive index detector. Option B is correct one. The indicate the HPLC detector that is most sensitive to change what? Temperature. तो ये होता है that is refractive index detector. Next question. Question number third. Nuzol is. क्या होता है nuzol? The first option is that vegetative oil, second one mineral oil, third one animal fat, and the last one wax. Which one is the correct one? Nuzol होता है that is mineral oil. क्या होता है? Mineral oil. Option B is the correct one. Which one is correct? Option B is the correct one. Next question. Question number 4. Hydrogen bonding is determined by which spectroscopy? The question is that hydrogen bonding पूछा है is determined by which spectroscopy? The spectroscopy are given in that question, in that option. The first one IR, second one NMR, third one RAMN, MAN, and the last one UV. Which is the correct one? Hydrogen bonding is determined by which of the following spectroscopy? तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग डिटरमाइन किया जाता है बाय IR spectroscopy. By which spectroscopy? By IR spectroscopy. Next question, question number 5th. In organic molecules, fluorescence seldom result from absorption of UV radiations of the wavelength lower than 350 nm, second one 200 nm, third one 300 nm, and the last one 250 nm. Which is the correct one? In organic molecules, fluorescence seldom result from absorption of UV radiations of the wavelength lower than. तो होता है lower than 350 nm. कितना होता है? Lower than 350 nm. Option A is the correct one. Next question. Question number 6. In gas liquid chromatography, some of the samples need to be derivatized in order to increase their. The question is that in a gas liquid chromatography, some of the samples need to be derivatized in order to increase their. The first one, volatility, second one, solubility, then thermal conductivity, and the last one polarizability. Which is the correct one? तो ये होता है that is polarizability. Option D is the correct one. Which one is correct? Option D is the correct one. Next question. Most commonly used HPLC is. Next question is that most commonly used HPLC is. The first one normal phase, second one reverse phase, third one gel permeation, and the last one ion pair. Which is the correct one? Most commonly used HPLC is. तो most commonly use होता है that is RP. RP means not आर की फॉर्मा दैट इज रिवर्स फेज. क्या होता है? रिवर्स फेज. मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज HPLC दैट इज रिवर्स फेज. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मेटल एंड मेटालॉइड्स आर डिटेक्टेड बाय. Metals and metalloids are detected by. The first option is that, option number A is that flame photometry, option B atomic absorption, third one fluoriometry, and the last one all of the above. So which is the correct one? Metals and metalloids are detected by. तो किससे डिटेक्ट किया जाता है? तो मेटल्स एंड मेटालॉइड्स जो होता है डिटेक्ट किया जाता है बाय एटॉमिक एब्जॉर्प्शन. किससे? एटॉमिक एब्जॉर्प्शन. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन. विच वन इज करेक्ट? ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन. मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 9. Number of double bonds in molecule is estimated by. Number of double bonds in molecules is estimated by. The first one IR, second one NMR, third one ESR, and the last one UV. Next, which is the correct one? So number of double bonds in the molecule is estimated by. तो किससे estimate किया जाता है? ये किया जाता है by IR. Option A is the correct one. Which one is correct? Option A is the correct one. Move on to the next question. Question number 10. Commonly used carrier gas in GC. The next question is commonly used carrier gas in GC. So the first one hydrogen and helium, second one nitrogen and oxygen, third one nitrogen and helium, and the last one hydrogen and nitrogen. Which is the correct one? Commonly used carrier gas in GC. तो commonly use होता है that is nitrogen and helium. Which one? Nitrogen and helium. Option C is the correct one. Next question. Question number 11. The solvent for Karl-Fischer reagent is. The solvent for Karl-Fischer reagent is. The first one ethanol, second one pyrimidine, then pyridine, and the last one water. Which solvent is used for the Karl-Fischer reagent? तो ये होता है that is ethanol. Which one? Ethanol. Option A is correct one. Which one is correct? Option A is correct one. Next question. Question number 12. A substance used for modification of silica gel. A substance used for modifications of silica gel for reverse phase TLC is. A substance used for modification of silica gel for reverse phase of TLC is. The first one glycerin, second one ether, third one silicone oil, and the last one benzene. A substance used for modification of silica gel for reverse phase TLC, that is होता है silicone gel. That is होता है silicone oil. Option B is the correct one. Which one is correct? Option B is the correct one. Next question. Question number 13. In IR spectrum, the functional group region is from. In IR spectrum, the functional group region is from. The first one 4000. ऑप्शन करेक्ट कर लेना. यहाँ -1 चाहिए, यहाँ भी -1 चाहिए. ओके, -1, 21 नहीं है, ठीक है, -1. इन IR स्पेक्ट्रम द फंक्शनल ग्रुप रीजन इज फ्रॉम, तो कितना होता है, ये होता है 4000 सेंटीमीटर, -1 है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, टू 1400 सेंटीमीटर, रेस्ट टू द पावर कितना, -1. ओके, नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन, -1 कर लेना. Got it? Next question. Question number 14. The length of column is in gas chromatography is. The length of column in gas chromatography is. The first option is that 1 to 4 meter. Second one 5 to 10 meter. Third one 10 to 15, 20, 10 to 12 meter. And the last one 12 to 15 meter. The length of column in the gas chromatography होता है that is 1 to 4 meter. कितना होता है, 1 to 4 meter. Option A is the correct one. The length of column in the gas chromatography is that 1 to 4 meter. Option A is the correct one. Next, most commonly used radiation source in atomic absorption spectroscopy is. Most commonly used radiation source in the atomic absorption spectroscopy is. The first one, mercury vapor lamp. Second one, hollow cathode lamp. Third one, xenon discharge lamp. And the last one, tungsten lamp. Which is the correct one? Most commonly used radiation source in the atomic absorption spectroscopy is. तो ये होता है that is hollow cathode lamp. क्या होता है, hollow cathode lamp. Option B is correct one. Which one is correct? Option B is correct one. Next question. Question number 16. Principle involved in paper chromatography. Principle involved in paper chromatography. The first one, adsorption. Second one, affinity. Third one, exclusion. And the last one, partition. Which is the correct one? Principle involved in the paper chromatography ये होता है that is partition. क्या होता है, partition. Option D is correct one. Which one is correct? Option D is correct one. Move on to the next question. Question number 17. Electronic transition required large energy is. Which electronic transition required the large energy? तो ये होता है that is sigma sigma transition. Which one? Sigma sigma transition. Electronic transition required large energy, that is sigma sigma transition. Option A is correct one. Which one is correct? Option A is the correct one. Next question. Question number 18. Decrease in fluorescence intensity due to. Decrease in fluorescence intensity due to. The first one, change in pH. Second one, presence of halides and oxygen. Third one, presence of heavy metals. And the last one, all of the above. So which is the correct one? Decrease in the fluorescence intensity due to. तो ड्यू टू चेंज इन पीएच भी होता है, ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस इन हैलाइड्स एंड ऑक्सीजन भी होता है, एंड प्रेजेंस ऑफ हेवी मेटल्स भी होता है. सो द ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट वन, दैट इज all of the above. Decrease in fluorescence intensity is happen due to change in pH, presence of halides and oxygen, and the last one, presence of heavy metals. So option D is the correct one. Next one, the ratio of distance traveled by solute to the distance traveled by solvent is known as. The ratio of distance traveled by solute to the distance traveled by solvent is known as. एक क्वेश्चंस आपको होमवर्क दे देती हूँ, ठीक है. दिस क्वेश्चंस इज होमवर्क टू यू. Next question, move on to the next question. If an organic compound does not absorb the UV visible radiation, it does not means the compound does not contain. Question क्या है? In organic compound, if an organic compound does not absorb UV visible radiations, it does not means compound does not contain. The first one sigma bond, then single bond, third option is conjugated double bond, and the last one dative bond. तो इनमें से which one is the correct one? That is क्या होता है? If अगर आपको नॉइज आ रही है तो सॉरी फॉर दैट. हमारा क्वेश्चन चल रहा था क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. सो द विच ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट वन? तो ये होता है दैट इज कॉन्जुगेटेड डबल बॉन्ड. क्या होता है? कॉन्जुगेटेड डबल बॉन्ड. If an organic compound does not absorb the UV visible radiation, it does not means the compound does not contain the conjugated double bond. Option C is the correct one. Move on to the next question. Which of the following is an example of diazonium ion? Which of the following is an example of diazonium ion? The first option is that CH3. मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ अगर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो. CH3N3. Second one is that CH3N2. That this option, the first option, and the third one is that H2NNH3. क्या है? H2NNH3. And the last one, none of the above. पूछा क्या है? Example of diazonium ion. So which is the correct one? तो ये होता है that is CH3 and 2. CH3 and 2. Option B is the correct one. Which is an example of diazonium ion? ये होता है that is CH3 and 2. Option B is the correct one. Next, all of the following are electron donating group except पूछा है. All of the following electron donating group except the first one NH2, second one OH, third one OCH3, and the last one NO2. तो except पूछा है that is NO2. Move on to the next question. Option D is the correct one for question number 22. पूछा था क्या? All of the following are electron donating group except पूछा था. तो except NO2. Option D is the correct one. Next question. Detector used in spectrophlorimetry meter is. The first option is that photomultiplier tube, second one Golay cell, and the last one, third one bolometer, and the last one all of the above. Which is the correct one? So detector used in spectrophlorimeter is that is photomultiplier. क्या होता है? Photomultiplier tube. Option A is the correct one. Which one is correct? Option A is the correct one. Next question. Flame color of calcium is. Flame color of calcium is. The first one yellow, second one violet, and the last one, third one orange, and the last one red. Which is the correct one? तो flame color of calcium ions होता है that is orange. कौन सा होता है? Orange. Option C is the correct one. Which one is correct? Option C is correct one. Next question. The common factor affecting the fluorescence is. Which common factor affecting the fluorescence? The first one temperature and solvent, second one pH, third one dissolved oxygen, and the last one all of the above. All of the above. The common factor affecting the fluorescence that is होता है temperature in solvent, pH also, and dissolved oxygen also. So the option D is the correct one. The common factor affecting the fluorescence that is temperature and solvent, pH, dissolved oxygen. So the option D is the correct one. Got it? So यहीं पे स्टॉप कर देते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्लास में स्टार्ट करेंगे फ्रॉम 26. जिन लोगों को इसका PDF चाहिए, इसमें टोटल 100 क्वेश्चन है, DM करना है आपको. ठीक है? टेलीग्राम लिंक गिवन है इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. जिनको बुक बाय करना है आप बाय भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है? टोटल एनालिसिस के फार्मास्यूटिकल एनालिसिस के क्वेश्चंस इस PDF में 100 से. जिनको चाहिए उनको DM करना है मुझे. ठीक है? गॉट इट? और जिन लोगों ने क्लास अभी तक देखा है लाइक शेयर भी करना है, जो लोग चैनल पे नए हैं क्लास को सब्सक्राइब भी करना है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम फार्मास्यूटिकल एनालिसिस कंप्लीट करेंगे या फिर क्लिनिकल के कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, क्लिनिकल हॉस्पिटल फार्मेसी के भी क्वेश्चंस ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है। आपका एग्जामिनेशन जनवरी में हो सकता है आरआरबी का, और प्रिजन का कोई अभी तक अपडेट नहीं आया है, जब भी आएगा आपको इन्फॉर्म कर दिया जाएगा, ठीक है गाइस। सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।